In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to install WordPress on both the main domain and the subdomain. So now let's get started. Click on Go to CPanel. Once the CPanel is logged in, just go down to software. Now it's written WordPress Manager. Click on it. Now click on Install. Now before installing, you have to see on which domain you are installing. For example, here it's written gethighskills.com. The procedure is the same for subdomain. So for subdomain, we will just change the main domain to subdomain like it's written here, support, the one we created in the previous tutorial. So we have to just select, I will be selecting the main domain. So now let's go down. You can change this password for now. Later, here it's written you can create the password. Okay, let's enter the password. Let me hide it. Okay, I have entered the password. Now proceed. Now leave everything as it is. We can change everything later once we'll start creating the site. Okay, now click on install. Okay, it's saying password strength must be greater than 80. Okay, you can add something more like, okay, so now okay, so now it's installing. So now you can see our install is complete. Now you can click on return to WordPress management. Okay, so now let's log into our WordPress. So here it is. Your WordPress installation is complete. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe.